Here we have a gorgeous 2013 Chevy Express Explorer 9-passenger conversion van, 6 captain chairs and a rear folding power bench seat, fully loaded leather, wood grain, beautiful interior, LED limo lighting throughout, clean Carfax, 159,000 original miles. It is highway miles. The previous owner babied this van. It's like new condition, very, very nice. No rust whatsoever. Tow package. It is an extended 9-passenger conversion van. TV, DVD. It's got an extra inverter. It's got extra power outlets everywhere. The previous owner really, really babied this van. It's super duper nice. As you can see, the condition is excellent. There's a few little marks on the hood, but nothing crazy. Nothing real big to point out. A bug chip here, a little bug chip there. Overall, the paint and body is beautiful. The tires are almost new. We purchased it from the original or second owner directly. As you can see, it's laser straight down the sides. Very, very nice clean van. Beautiful dark charcoal leather inside. Beautiful, beautiful van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. You can reach us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. You could text us to that number as well, 954-561-2499. Gorgeous 2013 Chevy Express 9-passenger Explorer conversion van. Fully loaded Explorer conversion here. It's what we specialize in. Handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans. Got your backup camera. Beautiful gray leather interior. It's all in fantastic shape. The carpet's very nice. Power folding bed. The previous owner added an extra battery, power outlets, inverter. Gorgeous inside, check it out. Has all your floor mats back here. You got your TV, you got your surround sound for your TV. Jensen speakers throughout. Super duper nice. Give us a call, 954-561-2499, or you can text us to that number. We can ship anywhere in the world. Happy to help. Look at the leather, gorgeous color. You got your embroidered headrest. TV obviously works, you can hear that going. Gorgeous seating throughout. You got your 6 captain chairs, all in excellent shape. There's one little mark on the driver's seat, which I will show you. Beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous van. 2013 Chevy Express 9-passenger conversion. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. You may text us to that number. There's a little mark here on the seat from getting in and out. Otherwise, this thing is beautiful. The wood grain is all in nice shape. A lot of times this will get sun faded or sun beat. You do have your center console cooler with all of your connections there for video games. You got your remotes for your TV and all your stuff. It's an awesome van, 159,000 miles. Very well kept, very well maintained. We only buy nice, clean vans with clean Carfax, clean titles. No stories whatsoever, no rust. Just a nice, clean 9-passenger conversion van that's not beat up at all. I wouldn't hesitate to jump in this thing and drive across country today. It's a 6.0 liter V8. Give us a call, 954-561-2499, or text us to that number. Happy to help anytime. Like I said, the tires are almost new. Got at least 90% life left on those bad boys. Nothing to do with this thing. Jump in it, drive it, enjoy it. Take the family on vacation. Good looking van. Got your mesh grill. Beautiful. Give us a call. Happy to help at any time. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. If you have any questions, I'm happy to help clear it up. We try to disclose everything we possibly can to make sure that you're happy and satisfied with your purchase. There's no secrets, no stories. We've been in business 45 years. Thank you.